So, what do you guys think? Okay, Ernie likes it. George, what do you think? And careful, if I don't like your answer, I'll have to cuff you and take you downtown.
Yeah, that's fine.
Fine. I've been at the gym every day for 3 months to fit into this, and it's just fine.
Crime, make me do the time!
I got it. You like it, Ernie. George, what's the matter?
My mom's treating me like crap.
Mom always treats you like crap. Why are you letting it get to you?
Because this is...
If it bothers you that much, you should talk to her. Benny, we need to talk.
What did I just say? Why do you always have to get involved?
Because she took...
Benny, George has some issues with you, and I think we should sit down and air them out like... Well, that kind of makes sense.
That's how I show affection. I'm sorry if I'm not the biggest hugger in the world.
Anything else?
It doesn't matter. You don't get it.
Oh, I think I do. Since you guys are living together again, it's bringing up old issues. But if you don't talk about this stuff, little misunderstandings can become big resentments. I was gonna do undercover work tonight, but forget it. Kids and I are going to Carmen's poetry reading.
Oh, man, do I have to go?
No, you don't have to go. Unless you want to support your daughter and show her that you care about what's important to her.
Thank God. Let me know how it goes.
Well, we won't be home till late. Try not to kill your mom. What is the matter with you?
Look, you don't see it, Angie. She's different when you're around, but this time she pushed me too far.
So you handcuffed her to the fridge?
Come on inside, gentlemen. We've got a full bar. Lovely ladies. Come and go all you want. You got a $15 cover charge? $40 if you want the all club tour.
Sorry, I'm gonna have to arrest you. This is a really big problem. You're kind of like itinerant, and it's kind of not cool. Itinerant. Because he went crazy.
Fuck you.
And he abuses women.
Jesse! No alcohol, $20.
Jesse, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. So I'm really sorry.
You don't even have handcuffs.
Yes, I do.
These are like plastic.
These are not
You
plastic.
can't hold anybody.
Yes, they can. They
No,
can
they
hold
can't.
your big fat wrist.
Do her then. Arrest
Come here, Chucky. You're under arrest for all the murders that you
Arrest
committed. I'm really sorry. Oh, well, I mean...
Michael Myers. You better go arrest Michael Myers right there.
I mean, it's guilty. No.
Nobody's arresting
I'm not Kiana. Chucky! Chucky!
Yeah, that's just creepy as shit.
What? The Joker?
A lot of feelers right here, though.
Mom was gonna be a crayon today.
Over there? Top.
Wait, what's handcuffs? Am I?
Come here. What was the one? 40 for 4.
Michael Myers.
Starting
Myers,
meeting?
can I go home with you?
So from one to the other, we just keep going.
Michael Myers, can I go home with you?
Right.
Michael Myers, I don't know what it is, but you really turned me on.
$20, you get this one and the one next door.
You really turned me on, Michael Myers. Something about it.
One more around the kitchen.
I think it's the mask.
I don't think you can handle the mask.
I think I can.
You guys got your ID?
Bang, bang!